welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And right now I will be doing a trailer reaction. This is the official promo for Jana Gana Mana. Now this stars two amazing actors, Prithvi Raj Sukumaran and Suraj Venjaramodu. And yes, I know you guys tell me it's not Suraj, it's Suraj, right? Right? Suraj Venjaramodu. Okay. I am again sorry if the pronunciation was incorrect once again. I'm sorry, but I'll get it right. If this was wrong, I will get it right. Now, this is directed by Dijo Jose Anthony. I have not known of his works. So yeah, without delaying this any further, let's react to Jana Gana Mana official promo. Let's see what this movie is about. Though with the title, I'm guessing it's about our country. Patriotism, politics, it could be anything. Alright, let's start. Oh, it's his production. Okay, Prithvi Raj's production. What a shot.
തെളിവുകളെല്ലാം നിനക്കെതിരാണ്.
Oh.
ഞാൻ ഊരിപ്പോരും. കുറ്റം രാജ്യദ്രോഹമാണ്. ഒരു പഴുതുപോലും ഉണ്ടാവില്ല.
അതല്ലേ പറഞ്ഞത്. ഊരിപ്പോരും.
ഊരിപ്പോരും.
സംശയമുണ്ടോ?
സത്യം ഒന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ, അത് ജയിക്കും. അതേ ജയിക്കൂ.
He looks so menacing.
ഗാന്ധിയെ കൊന്നതിന് രണ്ട് പക്ഷമുള്ള നാടാ സാറേ ഇത്.
Ooh, chills, guys, chills. Oh, this is gonna be one heck of a drama, and I don't know why I get this feeling. Okay, let me stop this. I need to stop this. Now I need to look at the credits also. Who's the music director? Oh, James Bijoy. I'm sold already on the music. Already sold on the music. I don't know why I feel, looking at this promo, that the majority of the film is gonna be in that room. And probably it's gonna take a flashback of what Prithvi Raj has done. And I feel Prithvi Raj could be the first look is telling that yeah, he could be a negative character, an antagonist saying that, oh, I'll walk free, don't worry, I will walk free. But I don't know why, I think he's sort of like, I don't know, a vigilante. Maybe he's done something bad but with good intentions. I don't know, I just got that feeling. And the way that menacing laugh of Prithvi Raj, oh my god, and with that the face, the camera just focusing on his face and he's laughing like that evil person. Though I know he's laughing like an evil person, but I still feel that he's not really an antagonist. I think he's a vigilante. I think so. I think so. Suraj again looks great. I feel Suraj is the antagonist. Could be. I know you guys tell me not to guess, but it's fun to do. It's just fun to do. I also feel that it's going to, of course, this is the kind of movie that is going to stir up a good debate. And I'm not saying violent clashes or arguments. I'm saying a good debate, because of course when he says that line that you think I'll be convicted in a country where people have mixed opinions about killing Gandhi, and it's true, people do have mixed opinions about killing of Mahatma Gandhi. So I think that line just sets up the entire tone of the film, that after watching this movie also, maybe the opinions are going to be mixed and divided. Maybe that is the intention. It could be. So yeah, that this official promo looks great, and I think they are the last time when I saw these two together in one frame was Driving License. I still haven't watched that film, but there also Suraj was a policeman and Prithviraj of course was an actor. Here he is a criminal. So great to see both of them back together. This looks very intense, interesting, intriguing, and extremely I don't know what should I say, extremely let's say a movie which is going to stir up a conversation. It looks like that. This movie is probably going to create a mixed opinion about how the story is going to pan out. It's just based on that one line I'm saying this. Just based on that one single line I'm saying this. So yeah, that was my reaction for the official promo of Jana Gana Mana. What are your thoughts on this? Please do share in your thoughts on the comment section below. And yes, that was my reaction for today. And I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.